Hi everyone, welcome to the DIY section of electronicsforyou.com.
Today we are going to make a microwave radar based kids socket protection system. Kids often put the finger or reach the sockets and electrical outlets at home, which may cause electric shock and damage. So today we will make a smart electric shock protection using microwave radar. Our system will able to detect the kids and human at electric shock outlets and will automatically cut off the power supply and protect the electric shock. Our system will able to detect the kids and human at electric sockets and outlets and will automatically cut the power supply and protect them from electric shock. We will use the microwave radar that will able to penetrate the small thin boards and walls. Will able to detect the human beings behind the boards. We can learn a lot from this project, like what is microwave, how we can use a microwave radar to detect human presence, how we can make an electric shock protection system using the microwave radar. Let's see the components used in it. We have used a RCWR microwave radar, a relay module, an electric socket board, some bumper wires. So let's try it out. Hope you like the video we talked about. To know more about this thing, you can check the link in description below.
We are now producing videos of all projects we are publishing in Electronics For You magazine and on this website electronicsforyou.com, so that not only do you get to see their proof of concept, but through the video we aim to make it easier to understand the circuit. For more interesting DIY projects, keep visiting electronicsforyou.com. Thank you.